I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select eForm. Choose a form. Next, search and select GoHighLevel as an action. Give here a GoHighLevel API key. So go to the GoHighLevel dashboard. Here you can obtain two API keys, the agency account API key and the sub-account API key. You can use them according to your account type. If you want to use your agency account API key, go to the settings. API keys. Create new. Give here a meaningful name. Now save it. If you wish to utilize it, you can copy and paste it into the integration site. However, I will use the sub-account API key so that I will be switching the agency account to my sub-account. Navigate to the setting. Under the business profile, you can find the API key. Generate key. Copy the API key and paste it into the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a task. Map the respective fields. Under Utilities, you can get some advanced features. You can also add conditional logic as per your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the GoHighLevel dashboard. Navigate to the contacts. And here you can see that the data came successfully in GoHighLevel. So, by following these steps, you can successfully integrate the system. Thanks for watching.